Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you the simplest way to fix numbering problems in Microsoft Word. If your numbers don't align, don't change, or change when you don't want them to, follow these steps. First, understand the two numbering buttons in Word. The first button is for simple lists like 1, 2, 3. The second button is for multi-level numbering like 1, 1.1, 1.2. If you need multi-level numbering, always use the second button. While numbering, I recommend that you do not choose the top row presets. Instead, select the option that shows 1, 1.1, 1.2 linked with heading 1, heading 2, and heading 3. This links the numbering to styles, which keeps everything stable. Now, apply headings to structure the document. Apply heading 2 to subsections under it, and heading 3 to any subsections. When you choose one heading style, the later one should appear right beside it. If it doesn't, you can open this menu and select it from there. You don't need to highlight the text, just place your cursor in the paragraph and apply the style. As you assign headings, the numbering will automatically update. Add numbered headings to the whole document by following these steps. Normally, when you add headings, that line changes its color, font, and font size, but you can modify the styles. Right-click Heading 1, choose Modify, and change the font to what it originally was. In my case, I used Aptos as the regular font, so I don't need to change this, but you might need to change it if you are using other fonts such as Arial or Times New Roman. Now, change the size, color, and boldness to what you want. In my case, I kept the original font size and changed the color, but you can leave it larger than the others if you like. After you're done, click OK. Once you do this, all the lines that are in heading 1 will change. Now, right-click on heading 2 and change it just like before. I will repeat the process for heading 3, but I won't add any boldness to this one. Now, every paragraph using that heading will update automatically, so you don't need to reformat anything manually. Continue through the document assigning heading 1, 2, or 3 based on the level you want. This builds a clear structure and keeps numbering consistent. To see your structure, press Ctrl F to open the navigation pane, then click Headings. You can also bring this up by going to the View tab and turning on the navigation pane option. Here, you'll see an outline of your document. You can click any heading to jump to it instantly. To reorder sections, just drag headings in the navigation pane. Word will move the text and automatically renumber everything. No manual fixing is required. You can do this for all the heading levels. If you want to delete a numbered section, right-click on it and click Delete. Word will renumber automatically as long as you're using heading styles. The key is simple. Use multi-level numbering linked to heading 1, heading 2, and heading 3, and apply headings instead of manually formatting numbers. This keeps numbering stable, easy to rearrange, and fast to fix. That's it. Save a copy of your document, try this method, and your numbering problems should be gone. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.